Hello everyone, welcome once again to Driving and Diecast. Today I am going to cover the top 5 mainline cars which were launched by Hot Wheels in 2021. So these are some of the cars which I have got in my collection. All of these are carded because here in India we don't get Hot Wheels anymore because of certain reasons. So these were imported and I've got single cars only, so I haven't opened them as yet. I'll be opening them as soon as I get doubles. And let's start the video. First of all, this beautiful Honda. This is a complimentary entry. Honda N600. It's a very cute car. Has got front details. Really small wheels, matches the size of the car. And then we have got the rear end details also. Beautiful card art, new for 2021, and one of my loved casting, I would say, in 2021. This is not in my top 5, but I'm sure it would be in the top 10 of my collection. Then I've got these three, the Land Cruiser, the Mercedes and the Bronco. These are also really cool castings. One should really get these. Starting with the top 5, this is not in any particular order. The first one is the Toyota Land Cruiser. Again, very well detailed, beautiful card art. Front details are there in this casting. Really good matching wheels. There are mirrors also, rear view mirrors are also there. The bed is quite detailed. Then we have got rear details also, Toyota clearly written at the back. We have got the light tampons. The base is black plastic, roof is white. Beautiful, very well executed casting, especially for a main line. Really well proportioned and well thought of. So this is one of the top 5. The second one is the Liberty Walk Lamborghini Coupe Huracan. Again, very well proportioned, front details clearly there, well organized, card art is great. And although the rear tampons are missing in this casting, but it's not a big miss. The wheels of the car match with the casting, the size of the wheels and overall design. Then the bottom is again plastic, but overall a very nice casting. Love the card art also, and one of my favorites in this lot for 2021. Moving on, next, one of the cool Bugattis. This is the Bugatti EB110SS. Again, a very cool casting. You can see the Bugatti logo on the bonnet. You have got the plastic headlights clearly visible, lot of detail. Overall, a well detailed casting. You can see the engine in the rear window, and then there are the rear tampons also clearly visible. The headlights are there, everything is clearly visible. Plastic bottom, matching wheels. In fact, I love these wheels. These match the casting rightly. So another lovely casting, therefore, on my list. Then we have got the very highly popular Tesla Cybertruck. This again is a very well executed Zamac body. There is slight detail in the front, probably the LED lights which will be there in the truck when it is actually being rolled out to the people. And then the rear has got the LED of red color. Again, a large size truck. The card art is really nice. This also is one of the cool castings launched in 2021. Now the last one of the top 5. This is one of my favorites. LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 350. Sorry, 35 GT. This is again a beautifully executed casting. There are front details. Even you can see the grille of the GTR, and the front headlights are plastic tampons. Rear view mirrors, then the LBWK markings on the side. Then we have got the rear detail also, headlights plus the reverse lights. So lot of detail in this casting, and beautiful card art. Even the card art has got Liberty Walk written. So these are the top 5 castings which are there in my collection for 2021, and these are, I am sure you guys should also collect these. They are going to be really sought after down the line, so grab each one of them. I'll be doing more of these videos. I'll be bringing the premium top 5 of my collection for 2021, plus I'll be doing a video of JDM castings which I've got in my collection for 2021. We have got some really cool castings from that era. Then I'll probably do another one which is the 4x4 castings newly launched in 2021. So subscribe to my channel and keep watching many more videos, and lot of Hot Wheels coming up down the line. Do comment below and let me know which is your favorite mainline of 2021. Thanks a lot. Bye.